Today we're going to do 2000. Oh boy, the airplane. Love it. Alright. I have a airplane show every day, so sometimes it's so loud so the camera can't hear what I'm saying. Okay, today I have the 2014-15 Mercedes C250, which is the 4-cylinder turbo one. Okay, I'm gonna do a rear brake. Okay, so let me take the wheels off. Take this plug right here out. There's a cap right there, and there's L wrench inside here, and there's another one in the bottom here as well. Take both out. Okay, this is a 7. The L wrench probably is a 7 too, so I'm using the 7. And take out this clip right here. Take out both pin. Take out both this pin here, and you can clean it out. Just wipe it out, clean it a little bit, and put some of the grease on it, so that will keep this pin, returning pin is loop, you know. So it's better to loop a little bit. If you don't, it's okay. The car's not that old. It's only 50 something, not even 50,000 miles on it. Okay. Alright. And I already take the pin out. So just take this out and push the brake pad. Okay. Inspect to see any leak on it. If it doesn't, so just hang in here and push the piston back. You can use this too here. You can buy cheap from online, or you can use anything to push that. I don't think they have any complaint on it. If you don't have that, you can use a wise grip. I mean, the wise jar or something like that to press the piston here. And if you don't have one, just go rent it from Auto Part. They have the piston tool over there, brake tool for pushing the piston, and you rent it, you use it, you can return it back. Okay, and this right here just fit inside into this, and clip one of this right here and just push the piston back up. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's it. And the new pad, got it from Napa on this brand. Okay, R90 Euro. So it probably compatible to where's the Mercedes-Benz. I think they're selling a lot of stuff that for Mercedes over there. Okay, you can buy from over there. And that's the grease for the return pin. Okay, and just slide this right here and push this one inside here, and put that back in here. Very simple car. I know that if you take to Mercedes, it's quite a bit money to just replace the brake. Okay, so something that you can do it yourself and not very expensive like this, Josh. You can save some money for yourself, go vacation or go drink with your friend, or you know, because they got brand name and then they have to charge you so much for something that's not even worth it that much money. Okay, it's not just, you know, people that who fix car. Everybody, you go to a dentist, they clean your teeth a little bit, they charge a whole bunch. You go to a doctor, they just charge you money. You go to car service, they charge you money that is not even worth it. I'm not a doctor, but I'm pretty sure that what they do is they have to go to school for it. You know, it's not mean that they have to charge us. Okay, I'm not sure how tight it is, but just make sure you tight, not too tight, because it's not a very big bolt. So when you feel it, how tight you take them out, you just feel the way it, you can put it back in there. That's all. All right, plug this tube back up and your job's done. Okay, such easy, you know. And the new one, they also come with the 2-pin right here. Okay, and make sure you put the 2-pin in there, or you're using the old one. This is not old car, so I'm not sure how good this comparison to the old one. Many time I don't like aftermarket stuff, but you know, I think should be good enough. Like that. That's it. Put your wheel back up and you're done. Something like this, very simple, easy. You can do it yourself at home. You don't need a expensive tool. You don't need to pay expensive labor at the Mercedes. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Something that you can do yourself at home. Okay. All right. Bye bye now. Subscribe, please.